when do we test it? So okay, we know what to test and we know how to test. Now the thing is when to test. You can do a GCT usually each trimester. If you have a high risk, your mom, dad, or your whole family is diabetic, you are obese, age is also a risk factor in GTM. So you can do blood tests before, as soon as you get pregnant, each trimester. But what you cannot miss is 24 to 28 weeks, because that is when the maximum people will show high blood glucose. And sometimes it can come at 32 weeks. Also, the other thing what we have to know is that, so what is GDM and what is type 2 diabetes? So we also know that GDM, what we want in pregnancy is that we want a lower glucose. So if normal people ma, we don't mind 140, pregnancy ma, we want 120. Pregnancy ma, above 95 and 120, we are like kind of, okay, we need to be careful. But definitely if you're diagnosed with a level that suits the ADA type 2 diabetes diagnosis, which is like 126 fasting and 200 after food, you have to immediately start medication. But then the thing is, do I really need to start medication? So if we only talk about gestational diabetes, no, you don't need medication immediately unless you have reached 126 and 200, the type 2 diabetes wala. But depending on your HbA1c, which I was talking about, is HbA1c भनेको कस्तो भने गएको 3 महिनाको it's an average in your body को sugar कति भयो. So anything above 6 means that the sugar has started harming your body. We have a lot of studies that show that HbA1c above 6 in pregnancy will definitely affect the fetus. So if it is above 6, you need to take medication. If it is about 200, you need to take medication. And if it is early on, like you just got pregnant and your sugars are already high, you need to take medication. And medication, there are not a lot of medication. There's just metformin. That also you only can use half the dose, which is 500 BD, which is a safe dose. And then rest is insulin. And then as soon as we talk about insulin, people are scared. Nah, insulin no line, like it's going to affect the baby. But in the end, you ask yourself, no, what is insulin? Insulin is a hormone. Where is it made? It's actually being supposed to be made in your own pancreas. But because your own body cannot make it, we're just giving it from outside. So we have to understand that insulin is the safest, the best thing, because it's your body's natural hormone. And that is why doctors, no matter how much time, energy, and how much, like I said, gali gorsa hamlai hoina ki malai insulin start gardiyo bhanera, but we know that's best for you, that's safe for the baby, and that's why we encourage and push for insulin therapy as soon as we know that your sugars are not getting under control. The good thing about gestational diabetes, which is the most common diabetes, is that actually lifestyle garda you can really change that. Okay, now we've been diagnosed, right? So you're like, okay, doctor le bhane lifestyle change gare. So what to do? I know that it's difficult, it's not going to be easy, especially when this is the time to get pampered, and everybody is like cow, and then suddenly you're like, no, you can't eat anything. But not eat anything is like, don't eat any junk, don't eat sugary things, right, which are bad for you, which even if you're not pregnant, all that is there today for diabetic food is healthy food. Like the whole term ki diabetes diet, diabetes khana bhanne nai gaisakyo. I mean, you can eat your rice, you can eat your dal, you can eat your meat, like, but have a healthier choice. Like if you want to eat rice, we all know brown rice is better, right? We know that portion control is important. So like eat how much you need, right? Not because you want. Like everybody's like chicken is healthy, but not if you fry it and make it into KFC, right? So you need your proteins and you need your egg, but you don't need to make it into a cheese omelette. Our yellow is controversial. Usually we say if you really have to eat it, you can take once in a week, especially because if your cholesterols are high, you can't take medication during pregnancy. So avoid those things that you don't really need. Baby, let's say protein, macronutrients, micronutrients, right? So you eat your dal, you eat your vegetables, you take your chia seeds, then also exercise.